Welcome back to Munch Monday. I'm really excited to show you this really easy recipe for delicious cheese twists. Remember to wash your hands and ask for help with sharp things or hot things. And that reminds me to tell you, step 1 is to turn your oven on and turn it up to 180 degrees Celsius. The next step is to grate the cheese. I use cheddar. The next step is to add garlic powder. You could, if you wanted, add real garlic if you wanted to chop that up for a fresher garlic taste. The next ingredient is oregano, and that goes in with the cheese and the garlic. And the next ingredient is dried Italian hard cheese. You sometimes get that in a little pot. Next, stir it all up, just mix it all together, and then crack and mix up an egg. Do it quite slowly. You don't want to whisk the egg, you just want to mix the yolk and the white together. Roll out your pastry and spread the egg around on the surface of the pastry. You want to, at this stage, use about half of the egg, I think. Spread it all the way over the sheet of pastry and then add the cheese mix on top. Add about 2/3 of the cheese mix onto half of the pastry layer. Fold over the pastry on top in half like this, and then spread some more of the egg on top. But you want to leave just a tiny little bit, so it's about 1/4 of the egg this time. Spread your cheese mix, the rest of the cheese mix, out on top of the folded pastry, and then cut the pastry into little strips. I'd say probably about 2 centimeters wide. Keep going until you've cut them all up. Next, pick up each of the slices, twist it once and twist it twice. Pick it up, twist it once, twist it twice, and you can kind of push down the ends a little bit as well. If some of the cheese falls out, that's fine, you can just pick it up and sprinkle it over the other twists. Next, take the rest of the egg wash and brush it in the middle of the pastry where there's no cheese. Try to make sure that your cheese twists have a gap between them, and then put them in the oven for half an hour. Hopefully they should come out orangey brown like this, and once they've cooled down, they'll be delicious. I hope you enjoyed them. See you next time. Bye bye.